What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back, guys, with another video. As you can see, guys, here we're killing euro CAD, guys, as I said in a previous video, guys. So I want to show you guys how I was able to find all these trades. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you everything, how I find this trade, the reason why I took this trade, so that you can use the reason that I used to take the trade. You can also use the same reason to take your own opportunity. So as you can see, this one right here, guys, you can see each of this one we in profit of 600. So I want to show you guys the way I find the trade, and you're going to do the same thing for you to find the trade. So let me show you. If you want to catch this type of pips, the first thing you need to know, guys, this is it's not easy, because I've been swinging this trade, guys, for 2 weeks. I want to show you how I was able to swing this trade for 2 weeks, because I know a lot of us, guys, as traders, is not easy to hold the market for 2 weeks. But the first thing that I can tell you, if you want to hold the market for too long, the first thing you need is to control your emotion, and is to take out the fear in your mindset, right? Because if you got a fear, you will never hold the trade for too long. So let me show you how I got the trade. First thing first, you can see I'm on 4-hour time frame. So you can see that I took the trade from this point here, right here. This is where I took the trade from. So let me show you how I funded the trade. First thing first, guys, you can see that in the beginning, the trade, the market was going on downtrend. You know what I'm saying? Was going on downtrend. It's been downtrend up to this point here. You know what I'm saying? Up to this point here. So after the market reached at this point here, you know, the market did give us some, some pullback. Let me show you what I mean by that. I want to show you guys everything. The market did give us some pullback. You know what I'm saying? And this is going to this is going to open your mindset to for you to understand how the changes of the market, when the market shows you like the change, when the market changed the trend. Let's say the market was going on downtrend, and then it decided to change the direction. This is going to help you understand how the market changed the trend. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, guys, after the market has been coming down for so long, you can see it's been coming down for so long this way, and then after that the market gave us the pullback. You can see the pullback up to this area right here, and then after that, the market, after the pullback right here, the market gave us another, another retest. You know what I'm saying? As if it's coming on downtrend again, but the market, it couldn't, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you. The market couldn't break this. The market couldn't break this one right here, but the market was supposed to break this one right here with this one, which means this one was supposed to break this one right here and continue on downtrend. But the market didn't break this one right here. Decided to do not break this one right here. Then this is where you're gonna start paying attention to the market, like, yo, why the market didn't break the previous high low, the previous low. You know what I'm saying? So since the market didn't break this one with this one, because this one was supposed to break this one, then you must pay attention at this. Okay, so since the market didn't break this one, and it decided to, you see, the market decided to come back again on uptrend. And you see, when the market comes back on uptrend, broke this one, which wasn't supposed to break this one, because the market, remember, is on downtrend. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to keep on showing us downtrend move. You know what I'm saying? But it shows us that it's no longer on downtrend, and now it's breaking even. Is breaking even the the high low, you know, the high lows. So after the market break the high low, you see, gave us this high low, you can see up to this area right here, guys. Something that I'm showing you at this in this video. Please pay attention to this because it's something very amazing, because I'm trying to break down everything so that you can understand. You know, I say obvious, I'm using the phone, but you're still gonna understand as well. So after that, then then I was like, yo, okay, so now I see that the market is no wrong on downtrend, because I've already got my confirmations. So now I was like, okay, let me wait for another retest, you know what I say. And I've got another retest right here. You see, this was another retest, which is the 30 confirmation, that mean that the market is no longer on downtrend. So look what happened after this point. You can see here, the market didn't break this one, and the market didn't break this one as well. And remember, the market was on downtrend, you know what I say. Instead of breaking this one, it's breaking the high lows, you know what I say, the high lows. And you can see we got another high low right here, but I was like, cool. So now I've got my pullback right here, 1 2 3. So now I was like, let me see how the market is going to react at this point right here. So the way market react, so the way the market acted at this point right here, I was like, okay, let me just wait for the pullback to be completed, then I will see what's next. All right, so let me show you what was next. After the market get done the pullback, you know, say I saw the continuation. You can see here, if I switch on lower time frame, you will see the confirmations right here. Let me show you. Let me switch on even 30 minutes time frame. You'll be able to see what is happening. Where is it? Let me show you guys. Okay, here guys, you can see what I saw, because I had to, you see, I had this confirmation candlestick, amazing, and I had this big move, you know what I say. I had this big move, you can see. Then I was like, you know what, let me give the signal to my team, you know what I say. And I gave the signal to my team at this point here, you know what I'm saying. I gave the signal to my team at this point here, but what happened was, I gave them the signal with the take profit 1 and take profit 2. You know what I'm saying? The take profit 1 was at this point here. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you. Let me show you on high time frame, because a low time frame, guys, what I see on low time frame is just a noise, too much noise. And I don't like the noise, you know. I don't like the noise. So the first take profit, guys, was this one right here. This was the first take profit that I gave to my team right here. But after that, the market, after we entered the market here, because we entered here, our stop loss was right here, was somewhere here. The market did scare us and did give us some continuation right here, and gave us the big pullback at this point, almost to the stop loss. But luckily the stop loss was over here, down here. Let me show you the stop loss, guys. I'm not sure if you understand. If you don't understand what I'm trying to explain to you guys, please let me know in the comment section, you know what I'm saying, because I want you guys to understand. I entered here, the stop loss was at this point here, at this point here, was at this point here. I'm trying to show you guys, it was at this point here, all right. And the market at this point here, and the market, bro, what the market did, the market gave us the pullback at this point here. Yo, man, it was crazy. It was crazy. But after that, the whole day, bro, this was the whole day. You understand? This was the whole day. And the next day, the market decided to move. it moved like after 1 hour. Like after 1 hour, the market was complete the first take profit. You know what I say? The market was complete the first take profit. What I did is I was like, no, I can't get out from this market because I saw that the market is going to move up to where it came from. Remember, guys, the market did drop too much. You know, I said the market, it did drop too much. It did drop from here to this point. Then I knew that the market is going to go up so much. You know, I say it's going to go up so much up to this point over here. Up to this point over here. Then what I did was I was like, no, let me just wait for the pullback. Let me just wait for the pullback. Then I'm gonna shift my stop loss. You know what I say? And then I waited for the pullback. After the pullback at this point here, I got a pullback here, and I shifted my stop loss to this point here. All right, to this point here. This is why I put in my stop loss, this point here. And then the market gave me another continuation. After the continuation, gave me another pullback here. I shifted it. Guys, this is how I was able, guys, to take all this profit, guys, because I had to use my broke orders. I wait for the market. As soon as the market give me the pullback, the pullback once done, I shift my stop loss to the new pullback. So this is how I was able, guys, to make all this profit. So now you can see, guys, that what I did, the stop loss, I already shift my stop loss up to this point, and now you can see that the market, it's it's in a profit as well from the sell. So it's two things. If the market came back to this point, took me out, it's fine. If the market is gonna continue, bro, who doesn't like money? I'll continue killing the market. So this is how I do it, guys. This is how I do it. You know what I'm saying? So if you like this video, guys, if you think like you like what I explained to you, please make sure please subscribe to the channel and click that like button, say, for more content, say, because guys, my channel, guys, I don't hide anything from you guys. I make sure I show you guys everything that I do so that you guys can do the same thing as well. So that's how it is. So guys, let me love you guys and leave you. But make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. You can join the free Telegram group. And once you decide, you can join our VIP, where we're going to be trading together. You trade the same as I trade. You trade the same as I trade. So see you guys on the next one.